Are you done reaching for your toys, Eddie? I got the camera on. You stopped? There you go. Hit it. Hit it. There you go, Eddie. Good job. Did you smile too? Again, Eddie. Let's see if you can do it again. Come on, Eddie. I turned the camera on because you were doing it a ton. Oh, maybe you got tired out. Okay.
What do you know? Nice one.
Yeah, I know. It takes so much effort, huh, Eddie? You can do it. Come on, Eddie.
Attaboy, Pluto. Thanks. Without your help, I would have been bouncing around all day.
There you go, Eddie. That's 2 on the middle one. Good job.